A once powerful Cadillac Escalade IQL is now covered in dust, rust, and damage. Today, we begin the journey to bring this luxury electric SUV back to life. Years of dirt and grime hide the original beauty of this Escalade. A powerful wash reveals the luxury design underneath. The hidden damage is finally exposed. Rust, scratches, and damaged panels are carefully removed by professional restoration tools. Every panel is sanded and prepared to create a flawless foundation for the new factory-quality finish. The Escalade enters the paint booth. A deep black raven finish transforms this SUV into a stunning luxury masterpiece. Professional polishing brings back the shine. The paint becomes smooth, glossy, and ready for the showroom. New wheels and restored exterior details complete the transformation. The Cadillac is looking brand new again. Every detail gets perfected. The glass, trim, paint, and finish receive a premium final touch. From damaged to flawless, the Cadillac Escalade IQL finally shows its true luxury presence. The restored Escalade IQL leaves the workshop like a brand new flagship SUV, ready to rule the road again.